Yeah, we had probably about 150, 200 people, some horses, a bunch of reenactors with matchlock muskets, which was a swashbuckler thing. And one of the extras, not a stunt person, an extra, was handed a lovely reproduction matchlock and went to the front and went to fire, and it didn't fire, it misfired. Historically, these things did a lot, but nobody had told him what to do. So he immediately breaks character, waves off screen, and is like, "This, what do I do?" And and ruined the shot. And they carefully like smoked
Oh,
up the whole field and had all these people running around. So we had to stop everything. If they'd just taken the time to say, if it misfires, just pretend it went off and keep going, or lay it in a safe direction and lie down like you got shot, and then we'll talk about it once you hear cut or whatever, right? You got to have a plan in place too.